Next, we are going to learn the same movements that we did for the lower body with the arms. We'll start with the joints of our fingers. So, keeping your arms at shoulder level in front, you're going to extend the fingers on inhalation apart and exhaling, make a tight fist with the thumb inside. Inhaling, opening, exhaling, closing, and repeating it 5 to 10 times. Inhaling, opening, exhaling, closing. And then you can open and relax. Next, we will go for the wrist rotations. Without taking the arms down, after the finger movements, you continue from there. Make a fist and on inhalations upwards and exhaling downwards. So we rotate the wrist inwards and then outwards. And then relaxing your wrist, opening the fingers. Once you have completed the wrist rotation, we go for flexing and extending the wrist joint. So on inhalation, up, and on exhalation, down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Awareness on the breath and the movement is must. Then relaxing. Then we go for the elbow joints. First is the extension and flexion of the elbow joint. You can turn the palms so the palms face up. Now inhaling, bending the arms as much as possible. Exhaling, straightening your elbows. Inhaling, bend. Exhaling, extend. Inhaling, bend. And exhaling, extend. You can repeat it 5 times and then relax. Just like with the knee joint, with the elbow also, we can go for rotation. You take your left arm and support the right arm from below. Now, start rotating your elbow joint. So always inhaling is upwards, exhaling is downwards. And then opposite direction. The same thing has to be done with the left arm as well. Now for the shoulder, we go for the shoulder rotations. Very simple. Touch all the fingertips together. Now touch the fingertips on the top of your shoulders. Do not let the fingertips move from here. Now taking your elbows down and then in front, touching the elbows together, lifting, inhaling and exhaling, squeezing and down. And then opposite direction, inhaling upwards, exhaling downwards. This can be done 5 times in each direction. Then you can lower your arms down and relax your shoulders. The last and one of the most important joint in the body, the neck joint, from where all the spinal nerves go down. Maintaining the neck health is very essential. So we will see very simple practices with proper breathing to maintain the health of our neck joint. So always start with an inhalation and then exhaling, move your neck to one side. Then inhaling, center, and exhaling to the other side. Then again inhaling, return. Now we go for the lateral movement of the neck. So inhale first and exhaling, go towards your side. Inhale and exhaling, taking the ear close to the shoulder as much as you can and return inhale. Relax. Then the upward and downward movement of the neck. On inhalation, you lift your head up as much as you can. Then exhaling, you take your head down, taking the chin close to your chest. And inhaling, return center. Relax. We have done this one time. It can be done 5 times for each exercise.